people, you got to show them all some respect. Cause ain't no telling who might be the one who's gonna help you next. When the hustling's done, baby,